Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you about the benefits of drinking chamomile tea every day. And it's not hard because chamomile tea, besides offering many health benefits, is also one of the tastiest teas out there. It is naturally sweet, has a very pleasant flavor, and you don't need to add any sugar, sweetener, or honey. You can drink it plain and still get all its benefits. I'll tell you what they are. You'll be surprised. It's not just for sleep. Stay until the end because you won't want to miss it. If you love tips on nutrition, health, and fitness, you're going to love this channel. So go ahead, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get updates. I post new videos every day and you're going to love them. Before we start the video, I want to remind you that I have an entire playlist talking more about teas and their health benefits. I'll leave the link down below in the description for you. Let's get right into the benefits of chamomile tea. It's one of my favorite teas, not just for the taste, but also for the benefits. Tell me, what's your favorite tea? Of course, the first thing that comes to mind when we think about chamomile tea is calming down, relaxing, reducing anxiety, and lowering stress. It's even become a saying. When someone is really stressed, people tell them to have some chamomile tea because that's truly one of its well-known qualities, recognized across many generations. Grandmothers have been drinking it and recommending it for ages, and that's because science actually confirms that chamomile tea contains certain compounds, like apigenin, which interact directly with the GABA receptors in our brain. These are linked to relaxation, stress reduction, and calming effects. So if you're feeling very anxious, very restless, and need to relax and calm down, regularly drinking chamomile tea will help you as well. Chamomile tea can also be very helpful in maintaining blood sugar levels within ideal ranges. This can be especially beneficial for those with insulin resistance, prediabetes, or even diabetes. We know that chamomile tea can help with fasting glucose levels. It can help with glycated hemoglobin levels, which is like an overview of your blood sugar over the past 3 months. And some studies have already found that, due to the amount of bioactive compounds found in chamomile tea, it can help prevent diabetes-related complications in the medium and long term. So, chamomile tea, besides being delicious, as I mentioned, you don't need to sweeten it with sugar or any sweetener, and it still offers this benefit. Because there are some teas that are beneficial, like green tea, but they're bitter, and people end up being more resistant to drinking them. So, if you want to control your blood sugar or prevent complications, know that adding chamomile tea, of course, along with a balanced diet, a healthy lifestyle, following your doctor's advice, and taking your medication, can help you in this regard. Another great and significant benefit, once again, is related to the aspects of sleep and overall relaxation. It can genuinely help you to fall asleep faster, deeply relax your mind and body, gently drift off into a peaceful slumber, and stay asleep for a longer period of time. So, if you have insomnia or anxiety that affects your sleep, drinking chamomile tea in the late afternoon or at night can help you sleep better. And it can be something regular that you incorporate into your daily routine, right? Another really nice benefit is that because it naturally contains flavonoids and once again, apigenin, chamomile tea, when used regularly, can help you with digestion. This is due both to its anti-inflammatory potential and also to the relaxation of the muscles. So, for those who are experiencing gas, cramps, or abdominal bloating, it can help improve digestive transit, intestinal transit, and provide better comfort, even reducing cramps. The anti-inflammatory compounds present in chamomile tea can help reduce inflammation in our body and decrease swelling. So, if you struggle with a bloated, swollen, or distended belly, chamomile tea can also help you as it aids the digestive process and has anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile tea, in addition to containing apigenin, also has quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that can help positively modulate our immune system. That's why, in fact, many people drink chamomile tea to relieve the symptoms of a cold or the flu. Of course, any hot beverage helps improve breathing. Just drinking the hot liquid and inhaling the steam from the tea already helps. But as I mentioned, quercetin, apigenin, and chlorogenic acid also help strengthen immunity. And of course, it's rich in polyphenols, rich in flavonoids, antioxidants that help with our body's antioxidant function. We know that this antioxidant function is important for preventing problems related to the appearance of excess free radicals, early diseases, premature aging. So if you want to consume an antioxidant but don't know which one, chamomile tea is a very interesting antioxidant for everyday use as well. Making chamomile tea is super easy. You just need boiling water and the chamomile itself. The ideal ratio is that for every cup of water, you add 1 teaspoon of chamomile flowers, cover it for 15 minutes, wait for the infusion to happen, and then you can strain and drink it. It's a very pleasant, very tasty tea, so it's super easy to drink, as I said once again, without needing to sweeten it in any way. Another really nice option is to drink chamomile tea cold. Sometimes it's hot out, you want the benefits of the tea, but you can't stand drinking anything warm. Make the tea, add a few ice cubes, and that's it. Keep it in the fridge, and you can drink it throughout the day. So tell me, do you have the habit of drinking chamomile tea or any other tea? I'd love to see your comment. Remember to like the video, that really helps me out, and share it with someone who will enjoy it, with someone who needs it. Let's spread this chain of good together. That's what I want here on the channel. See you next time. Bye.